Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Absolute Biopharma, and this is the last part of the cell culture media, that is serum free media. So let's get started. Let us take a quick recap of the last videos. In last videos, I have discussed what is cell culture media, types of cell culture media, components of cell culture media, the function and example of each component of the media. To check the details of all these topics, you can click on the I button and have a quick look. So as I said, this is the third part and the last part of the cell culture media series, that is serum free media and protein free media. So let's get started. The contents of this video are: what is serum free media, disadvantages of serum, advantages of serum free media, how can we replace serum with some other elements, commercially available serum free media, and protein free media. First, let's define what is a serum. When the blood is centrifuged, the two layers are formed. One is plasma and the other one is serum. So serum is divided of all the blood clotting factors. Serum is a complex mix of albumin, growth factors and growth inhibitors. So what are the components of serum? They are amino acids, proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, lipids, hormones, growth factors, minerals and trace elements. What are the commonly used serum? Fetal bovine serum, that is FBS, calf serum, CS, and the concentration in which they are used in the normal growth media is 2 to 10%. Let us see serum free media. These are the media designed to grow a specific type or perform a specific application in the absence of the serum. The use of serum free media represents an important tool that allows cell culture to be done with a defined set of conditions as free as possible of confounding variables. Disadvantages of serum: physiological availability. The concentration and action of major constituents of serum are not fully determined. Shelf life and consistency. Serum varies from batch to batch, and the best batch will last for 1 year, perhaps deteriorating during that time. It must then be replaced with another batch that may be selected as similar but will never be identical to the first batch. Quality control. Changing serum batches require extensive testing to ensure that replacement is as close as possible to the previous batch. Availability. Periodically, the supply of serum is restricted because of cattle rearing, spread of disease among cattle, economic and political reasons. Downstream processing. The presence of serum creates a major obstacle to product purification and limit the pharmaceutical acceptance of the product. Contamination. Serum is frequently contaminated by viruses. Last is cost. Serum constitutes the major part of the cost of a bottle of medium, that is more than 10 times the cost of the chemical constituents. Let us see some of the advantages of serum free media. It has more consistent performance, easier purification and downstream processing, precise evaluation of cellular function, increased growth and productivity, better control over physiological responsiveness, and enhanced detection of cellular mediators. How can we replace our serum with some other constituents? By addition factors such as fibronectin, peptides such as insulin, PDGF, platelet derived growth factors, TGF beta that regulate the growth and differentiation, nutrients like minerals, vitamins and fatty acids, hormones such as estrogen that regulate the membrane transport. So here is a replacement of serum. Adhesion factors can be replaced by poly-L-lysine, hormones by FSH and somatotropin, growth hormone by endothelial growth factor, PDGF, platelet derived growth factors, IGF 1 and 2, insulin growth factors. Last, interleukins. Nutrients can be replaced by iron, copper, selenium. Proteins and polyamines can be replaced by bovine pituitary extract or transferrin. Here are some of the commercially available serum free media. For BHK cell line, HYQPF CHO, then HY GPF CHO MPS for CHO cell line, MCDB 302 PC1 continuous cell line, Eagles minimal essential media, MI99, then DMEM with F12 supplements. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Please make sure you smash the like button and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I try to provide you the most relevant content related to the absolute biopharma industry. You can leave a comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts about this video. See you in my next video. Till then, have a great day.